Hello all and welcome to this AWS quick tip. In our tip today, we will learn about the keyboard shortcuts for Amazon Timestream query editor. Let me quickly switch to my AWS console. So this is my console right here, right? And I'm in Amazon Timestream and using query editor. As you can see, I have a database named MatrixDB and I have a table named EC2. I also have a select statement over here, right? So let me zoom in a little. It's a very simple select statement, select star from matrixdb.ec2, right? So now, in order for me to execute this particular select statement, I typically would come and click on the run button and the select statement would get executed and I would have some kind of a row set returned to me. So this time, as you can see, it has returned me 99 rows, which is a good thing. But what if I don't want to, use my mouse and click on the run button? Instead of that, what if I want to use my keyboard? Is it possible for us to use our keyboard? The answer to that question is yes, right? So here on the right-hand corner, right, you see a keyboard icon right there where I'm circling with my mouse. If you hover on that particular button, it gives you a tooltip and it's called as shortcuts. If you click on that button, it basically says keyboard shortcuts, and here are the different shortcuts. To run a query, it is Control plus Enter or Command plus Enter. To comment is Control plus /. Undo is Control Z and redo is Control Y. And for any kind of content assist is Control plus space. So these are some of the keyboard shortcuts. Now let us see if we can use these keyboard shortcuts. So I'm going to copy my query, right? And I'm going to click on clear. And then I'm going to paste the query back again. But now instead of clicking on the run button, we will try and use the keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to click outside over here near tables. So my mouse is going to remain over there. And now I'm going to hit Control Enter, which is the keyboard shortcut to run the query. But as you see, nothing happened. Why is that? For any kind of a keyboard shortcut to work within your query editor, your focus should be within the query editor text box, right? So once your focus is over there, then if your mouse is outside over here, again, back near tables. Now my focus, as you see, is within the query editor text box. Now, if I hit Control and Enter, it will execute and run the query, and the results are returned to us. Similarly, again, with the focus being over there, if I hit Control and /, the line has been commented. Now the line has been uncommented, right? You can come and type something and then do undo, or you can also do redo. So this is how these keyboard shortcuts work within your query editor. Now, these have been pretty handy for me. I would definitely encourage you to try it out and let me know your experience. Hopefully this tip was helpful to you. That's it from me today. I will see you shortly in some other video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.